Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add a sticky add to cart functionality in your WordPress WooCommerce website. So let's go here and we can install a plugin. You can get the plugin from here. After that, you can install this plugin, shop, lenter, this one, and upload the zip file from here. After that, you can go back to the plugin settings, then modules, scroll down, and here you can find out single product sticky add to cart. Then click on save settings. You can also go to settings, and then here you can do some customization. After that, click on settings. Now let me copy this product link and view here. If I scroll down, here you can see this one add to cart. So this is called sticky add to cart functionality.